Hi, today I am here to explain about Hypertext Transfer Protocol in web development. We are going to learn what is HTTP, www communication, HTTP request and response, the HTTP request circle, XHR or XML HTTP request. What is HTTP? HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. www is about communication between web clients and servers. Communication between client computers and web servers is done by sending HTTP requests and receiving HTTP responses. The Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP, is an application protocol for distributed, collaborative, hypermedia information systems. HTTP is the foundation of data communication for the World Wide Web, where hypertext documents include hyperlinks to other resources that the user can easily access, for example, by a mouse click or by tapping the screen in a web browser. www communication. www stands for World Wide Web. The World Wide Web is about communication between web clients and web servers. Clients are often browsers, Chrome, Edge, Safari, but they can be any type of program or device. Servers are most often computers in the cloud. HTTP request and response. Communication between clients and servers is done by requests and responses. These are some steps to understand the request and response. Step 1. A client or a browser sends an HTTP request to the web. Step 2. An web server receives the request. Step 3. The server runs an application to process the request. Step 4. The server returns an HTTP response or output to the browser. Step 5. The browser receives the response. HTTP request circle. There are some examples of HTTP request or response circle. The browser requests an HTML page. The server returns an HTML file. The browser requests a style sheet. The server returns a CSS file. The browser requests an JPG image. The server returns a JPG file. The browser requests JavaScript code. The server returns a JS file. The browser requests data. The server returns data in XML or JSON, etc. XHR or XML HTTP request. All browsers have a built-in XML Http Request object or XHR. XHR is a JavaScript object that is used to transfer data between a web browser and a web server. XHR is often used to request and receive data for the purpose of modifying a web page. Despite the XML and HTTP in the name, XHR is used with other protocols than HTTP, and the data can be of many different types like HTML, CSS, XML, JavaScript object notation, and plain text. XHR object is like web developers' dream, because you can update a web page without reloading the page. Request data from a server, after the page has loaded. Receive data from a server, after the page has loaded. Send data to a server, in the background. Please find some references which will help you to learn more about HTTP. Thank you for watching video. Connect with us to learn more. Please provide your feedback in comment.